The Chamber will continue to bring together the energy and aspirations of the private sector in articulating our collective vision for the country's economy. The Chamber will also enable ecosystem linkages across the full spectrum of the economic pyramid, as well as across industry, sectors, and also provide a platform for alignment, dialogue, and collaboration with the government of Sri Lanka. From government, we will seek enablement, a call for constructive policy frameworks which are designed to enable growth. We will also continue to seek transparency and consistency. We will assume as a fundamental deliverable of government the fostering of national harmony and the maintenance of law and order. We will also seek from government the setting and execution of progressive fiscal and monetary policies. The confidence espoused by the global debt market in the recent dollar bond issuance is indicative of the constructive role government continues to play in this regard. While continuing to applaud those institutions and individuals within the public sector who play a pivotal and often sacrificial role in advancing our nation, we will also call for the installation of a meritocracy and the eradication of corruption at a fundamental and structural level. Here we refer not just to the direct leakage of rupees and cents, but also the cost of bad decisions and even the cost of inaction, which are motivated by factors other than the national interest. We are confident that private sector positivity, in combined with a constructive and enabling role of government and a renewed focus on inclusive development, can rapidly transform the deficits we see in business confidence locally as well as globally. Among foreign direct investors, in combined setting a fresh trajectory for economic growth in the years ahead. As we look forward to the years ahead, we dream of a new system. It's a much used word today. We identify the enshrining of the principles of integrity, unity, equality, and an underlying meritocracy as the foundations of creating such a new system. In taking the liberty to dream, I believe we need to be committed to be the change we dream of. If we seek integrity and the eradication of corruption, it should start from within the private sector. Let us set standards which are uncompromisable. If we seek a meritocracy and a dilution of the influence of political patronage, let us create growth and opportunity for people across all parts of this country so that there is indeed no space or need for political patronage. If we recognize the importance of equality and the eradication of disparity as a foundation for peace and harmony, let us pledge our efforts towards establishing a more equal and inclusive economy. And so the list goes on. We should step forward, be positive, determined, and lead from the front. If we so walk the talk, I believe we will succeed in driving a resurgence not only of the economy, but also of a new social order and meritocracy, which will be a benchmark in this region. I thank you for your patience this evening and for bestowing on the newly elected committee, board, and myself your trust and confidence to guide our chamber into the year ahead. It is our ambition to build on the foundational work of our predecessors, to sharpen the effectiveness of the chamber, and to enhance our delivery to members and the nation alike. I sincerely believe the future can be very bright. It is for us to shine that beacon with collective energy and to do so with singular focus and positivity. It is for us to envision with clarity facets of the future we wish to create, and most importantly, to be the change we want to see.